Hi everyone, my name is Govind and currently I'm working as a data analyst. In this video, we are basically gonna look at incremental refresh in Power BI, which is one of the, I can say, most powerful feature that we are gonna look. In this session, we are gonna look at some theoretical part of incremental refresh, and in the next video we will see how we can configure incremental refresh in Power BI. So let us get started. Okay, so what is incremental refresh? Basically, it is a feature in Power BI that allows refreshing only new or changed data instead of refreshing the entire dataset every time. So generally, how the refresh happens in Power BI is that Power BI pulls all the data from the source and load that data into the semantic model, right? So instead of loading whole data every time, what it will do, it will only refresh change data, or I can say the data that has been new in the source. It will only load that, and the uh, like old data, it will archive that data. So here it is written, instead of reloading millions of historical rows, Power BI only refreshes recent data, for example last 1 month or last 1 year, last 1 day, last 1 week, like that, or updated data, and while keeping older data unchanged. So it frees the older data, it load the older data into the semantic model, and when the refresh happens, so it only refresh the recent data. This is the basic concept. This improves performance and also reduces the refresh time. So why incremental refresh is needed? So in real world scenarios, we have to work with the data sets that have million or billions of rows. If we are working with transactional databases, so transactional database grow at very fast level, right? And we have to deal with long refresh duration, which can impact the overall report and dashboard experience. We also have to face the gateway load issues many times, right? So refreshing the full data every time, what problems it can cause? It can slow down the performance, it consumes more memory as expected, and it also increase load on the SQL server. But incremental refresh solve all this problem. That's why it is needed. Next. So basically how the incremental refresh works. So what it does, it creates partition on the basis of some date time column in the data model, right? And on the basis of date time column, it creates different partition, right? If we configure like store data for 2 years and refresh the data for last 1 month, so all the things will happen because of the partition that it handles automatically behind the scenes. So like the data older than 1 month, it will not refresh that, only the last 1 month data will be refreshed, and whatever the new data will come, it will add it automatically. So we do not have to worry about like how this partitioning is working. It is just a concept that happens behind the scene, right? We have to worry about only how we can configure the incremental refresh. That's it. Like the partitioning and everything is handled by Power BI service behind the scenes. So what are some advantages of incremental refresh? Basically, like if faster refresh time, right? So we do not have to load all data every time, just a new or unchanged data we are loading. It significantly improve the refresh time, right? It also reduce load on the Power BI engine. We get the better performance of the report and dashboard. We also get efficient memory usage because of the partitioning, right? If our data grows, so it is scalable for big data. It supports historical data retention, and detect data change feature is also there, right? So that are some features of incremental refresh. Then there are some prerequisites of incremental refresh. This I will cover in next video, where we will be seeing how we can configure it in like in a whole practical I'm gonna share. So stay tuned for the next video. You will see in the channel's description. So yeah, thank you. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel, and if you are having any doubts, so do let me know into the comment section. Thank you.